and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize auto power on and auto power off options in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll down to schedule power on or off menu, and here we have our options and switches. So for example, auto power on option, the switch is here and off is right here. We can customize it a bit by tapping it once, and now we can choose time at which our phone will automatically turn on by choosing hours, minutes and even days. And now tap finish, and as you can see, power on has been customized. We can do the exact same thing with auto power off option. And that's all. Goodbye.